Good afternoon, my name is Slade Sackman. I'm here at MarineMax in Fort Myers, Florida. And today I want to go over our 270 Boston Whaler Vantage. It's a 2019. It's equipped with twin 250 Mercuries in the white colors. These are the new V8 naturally aspirated motors, so the efficiencies have gone up dramatically. They're a lighter weight motor, and they're much improved with their noise and vibrations. This boat is in all white, as you can see, with the blue pinstripe and blue logo. What we'll do is we'll crawl up into the boat and I'll show you some of the features and benefits of this boat we have right here. So Boston Whaler's family line of boats is their Vantage series. They make them in 3 different sizes. This is the middle-sized boat, the 27-foot boat. It's a dual console format, so it's very family-oriented. Lots of shade, lots of seating, very comfortable boat for the family. A lot of the gentlemen that like to fish in the past can still do this in this format, but yet apply family needs and wants in this particular vessel. As you walk forward in the boat, the first thing you're going to notice is the galley. This galley is equipped right here with a cooler and a sink. The other options are available in this particular model, but this one comes with the cooler and sink only. As we move forward to the helm area, you'll notice that we have our Mercury Smart gauges, Smartcraft gauges, with the Fusion audio head system and the JL audio speakers. The boat can also get a vessel view system instead of the gauges if you wish, but not this particular one here. We have both of our digital throttle controls right here, of course at the helm. As you go to the port side of the boat, you'll notice this is where a lot of the form and function come into play in this particular vessel, which really makes it family friendly. In our seat here, in first position, it's set up for forward facing seating. But if you want, you can progressively slide the seat forward so that you have rear facing seat, or ultimately, if you would like to, recline the seat all the way down. You can do that, and then this new bolster here becomes your new backrest for lounging. But if you want to face forward and lounge, you have the option of raising the rear seat, popping out the legs, and you have a new reclined lounge system right there. Underneath this seat, you'll see there's lots of storage right here. You can also have that converted or built from the factory as a live well system for fishing. And then underneath the front seat, you have even additional more storage. So this whole console area is storage for your stuff for the day. Also on the port side of the vessel, behind this console, is the head compartment. This particular vessel is equipped with the upgraded vacuum flush toilet, Corian countertops, and faux teak flooring. As you progress to the front of the boat, there's a tremendous amount of seating up here with the option of filling in cushions or other shade options that are available on these boats. This particular boat does not have the filler cushion, but it is definitely an option that would be considered for a family. You have access to this console underneath this seat by simply removing this cushion and lifting the hatch, and you have full access all the way up underneath the console. You have a secondary access point on the side of the console throughout the day if you need to get some smaller items out. It's easier to access that as opposed to come up here and lift up the seat. Probably, in addition to, the big seat here on the side, you have a standard rear seat that folds up and away and easily folds out for your clients for large seating environment. Very comfortable, high back, very deep seat. You feel very secure in the back of the boat sitting here. And last but not least, it's a little hard to probably see on the film, but this large hardtop we have here is a very sound and structural item. Provides maximum shade for the boat, and also is very sturdy and is very nice to have this out to get you out of the sun. Thank you very much for visiting with us here today. My name is Slade Sackman, MarineMax in Fort Myers. Hope to hear from you soon.